Hello first grade, this is Mrs. Amos. I'm back to talk more about the idea of line that we found in our artist toolbox. And we talked about last time how to make shapes using line. Well, this time we're going to talk about adding what's called patterns. Does anyone know what a pattern is? I think you might have talked about pattern in your core classroom. Maybe you even have a pattern around you today. Maybe you have it in a shirt or in a picture on the wall, or maybe in a rug you might find a pattern. What is a pattern and how can line create pattern? Well, I'm going to get my sketchbook out and I'm going to show you exactly how line can make what's called pattern. Hi boys and girls, I want to offer a quick demonstration on how we can use the art tool of line to create patterns. So what we're going to do is I'm going to select my blue crayon and I'm going to start with just a random line, my curvy-wurvy line. Okay, if you go ahead and do another line next to it, whatever style you choose, if you do a line next to it or add another line repeating that line style, you create what's called a pattern. So right here, this curvy section is a pattern. Another thing you could do is take another color and you could do a pattern of color as well. So let's just say I'm going to repeat that with my orange. And I'm going to continue with my curvy-wurvy shape. Now my line is changing a little bit, but that's okay. So there's two different types of patterns that I'm actually creating here. I have a pattern of line style. So the line style is repeating. So I have 1, 2, 3, purple, blue, 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 orange, blue, blue, blue. So we have our other pattern that talks about the repeat of colors. And just keep going with that pattern. Now you can also do another type of pattern with line. This is the crisscross one that we saw in our video, or we're going to see in our video actually. See if you can find that one. Okay, that creates a pattern. Lines going different directions. Or you could do, in a section, you could do a repeat of these swirly whirlies. These are, again, they're my favorite. I'm just kind of doing a random exploring of lines. So this is a sample in my sketchbook about how to explore line to make pattern.